penny rolls. These are all bank rolls that I've gone through, peeked in, opened, and put back in these containers. Trying to switch all over to the square containers because I definitely noticed the difference. The coins tone in these normal tubes. I don't care what my cat says. So these kind of tubes, they just don't last. So I have tons that I haven't gone through that are still in the bank rolls, and I got a lot of them in these containers, the square ones. So you can see some of my older dates. The large and small dates, 60s and 60Ds. I normally don't go to the 90s, but there's been a lot of errors in some of that stuff, so when it's cheap, I'll grab it. That's where most of my stuff stops, is 82. Let's see, 91 in there, 95. And those are my nickels. That pink wrapped one's back there underneath all that. These ones here are my money makers. Got some really good ones in those. And it's a government wrapped or mint wrapped. And so are those ones. And I actually like these ones a lot. Probably the newest coins. So, those are my pennies, and a few of my nickels. Got a drawer full, because that's what this is. It's in a drawer. 150-pound glides on it, and it still barely opens.